Have you ever wondered how these belts run? These belts that are linked to each other, Have you ever wondered how they run? So these belts, they have motors under there, which tracks all these ones along. So this is the drive belt for this motor, for this conveyor. And there's another one here. It's another belt here. So there's another motor here that's driving all these belts. All the rollers, driving all the rollers. There's another one here. So I'm going to show you how to replace them. So first of all, you have to undo the nuts, and then these ones will come out. You see, now we have see what we have there. This is where the belt goes in. This one is for this one is for one of the rollers, and this one is for the other rollers. And then from here we attach it to the following one and transmit speed, just like this one. These are the drive rollers. This one and this one are the drive rollers. But when we transmit the movement here, and we also drag that one, so these are the two drive rollers. These two are the drive rollers. They're transmitting movement here and there. And so this particular one has this motor, which is an e-stop here. Well, I'm making it redundant, so I'm going to replace this belt now. Probably if I just unhook it there, this belt should come out without a problem. So the belt is out. Doesn't take much to take the belt. And just once you open it and release it from there, you can dip it inside, dip your hand inside, and the belt comes out. If you want to replace it again, you put those two in. You stick this one in and balance it all over there and put the screws in. But it would be better to put the screw in first on this side and then drag it under. So this motor is it runs on DC. It's a DC motor. 180 volt AC.